But I've learned this. You don't always have to speak your mind. Sometimes to stay quiet is better than to just say something. Sometimes to say less is to say more. And we have to acknowledge other people's feelings and not only just look at our own. And then I know not everyone has the same religious beliefs as me, but I'd like to also add James 1:19 to say that be quick to listen, slow to speak, and slow to anger. And those wise words will resonate with you. I hope throughout your years and years of good service that you'll have at each one of your companies. And may you be blessed in all your future endeavors. Thank you.
Thank you.